Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the settings and iCloud functionality built into AirCrew. So if you go to the Tools section and on the bottom right hand side of the tab bar and select the Tools icon, right at the top of the list there is the Settings icon. So if you go ahead and select the Settings icon, you're taken to the Settings screen. Now we're going to talk about first our different unit options you can choose from. So if you rather prefer kilometers over miles or miles over kilometers, here under distance you can choose that functionality. So you just press there on the option. So MI is miles, KM is kilometers. We're going to leave it there as miles. Under clock you can do AM, PM, or 24-hour clock. So whatever you're more comfortable with, you can make that selection there. So any clock or times listed in the application will go to AM, PM, or 24-hour depending on your selection, just as well as the distance units. Anywhere there's distance displayed, it'll be displayed in miles or kilometers. Then going on down to iCloud. This is the iCloud functionality in AirCrew is specific, not very common to other other applications. We actually have it set up to work more like you're saving a file on your computer. And the reason for that is so that when you're working with AirCrew between different devices, such as between your phone and your iPad, you actually have the ability to save the information in real time onto your device, and then pick up your other device and fetch it or take it from the other device or from your iCloud right onto your device in real time. So let's say, for example, I've been putting in some information into my AirCrew application on my iPhone, and I then go to my iCloud functionality here and I hit the sync button. And you're going to get an alert that comes up that says, by syncing to iCloud, the data from this device will replace any existing AirCrew data in your iCloud account. Syncing large amounts of data may take longer to sync. If you're not connected to a data or Wi-Fi network, your data will not sync until you reconnect. Press OK to start sync. So when you press sync, any data that's on your device will now replace all the data that's on your iCloud. So if you've just updated, then it's just going to update the information, and it's going to add the new information. If you fetch from your iCloud, you're going to be taking any information that's on your iCloud onto your device. So I'm going to go ahead and select cancel here. And I'm going to press the fetch button so you can see the alert here. Fetching from the iCloud will replace all existing data on this device with the data from your last sync to the iCloud. Press OK to start fetch. So let's say, for example, as I synced all my data from my iPhone to my iCloud. I pick up my iPad and I press fetch. It's going to take everything that I just put from my iPhone onto my iCloud onto my iPad. So it gives you the ability to go back and forth and to keep everything consistent. We didn't want to have it automatically saving because depending on your iCloud settings, depending on when you have it set or how often you have it set, depending on the amount of data you have in your application, it may not have been as responsive to pick up your device back and forth and use the information that you've put in. So we've given you this option to do it manually so that you can always keep it backed up. I would recommend coming in here and syncing to your iCloud as often as possible, just so that it's backed up in case you lose your device, it breaks, something happens. You can always just install it on your new device, come in, press fetch, and everything will come on your device exactly how it was before. So hopefully you like it set up this way. If you have any feedback for us, if you have any questions, please let us know at support@goflymedia.com. I'm going to hit cancel here, and right under the support section there you'll see our email address for support. We thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and safe travels.